In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-step workflow on make.com. This platform is incredibly versatile and can help you automate tasks across various applications efficiently. So let's dive in and explore how you can set this up with ease. First, you'll want to head over to make.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub for all the scenarios you might create. When you're ready to start, look for the option that says Create a new scenario and click on it. This will take you to the scenario editor where all the magic happens. Now, let's begin by adding your first module. You'll notice a big plus icon on the editor. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then have the opportunity to search and select the app you want to start with. This could be anything from Gmail, Google Sheets to Notion, depending on what you're looking to automate. Select your desired app and configure your module by connecting your account. Here, you'll also decide on the specific action you want to take. For instance, in Gmail, you might choose to watch emails, which means setting it to monitor incoming emails as part of your workflow. With your first module set up, you can now begin expanding your workflow by adding more steps. Look for the plus button right next to your initial module and click on it to add the next step. Choose from a range of apps and decide on the actions you want them to perform. For example, you could set your workflow so that upon receiving an email in Gmail, a new row is automatically created in Google Sheets. This is where it gets exciting, as you're building a chain of tasks that happen automatically and save you time. You can continue adding as many modules as needed to construct a comprehensive workflow to suit your specific needs. Once your entire workflow is laid out, it's crucial to test it to ensure everything runs smoothly. To do this, click on the Run Once button. This will trigger your workflow and allow you to see if any adjustments are needed. When you're satisfied that everything is working as intended, save your scenario. The final touch is to automate your workflow so that it runs without manual intervention. Do this by turning on the scheduling switch. This enables your workflow to operate automatically based on the conditions and timing you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully crafted a multi-step workflow on make.com. Just imagine all the possibilities and efficiencies you can achieve with this powerful tool. Keep experimenting, refining, and you'll soon be an automation pro. Thanks for watching and happy